This is a very amazing and beautiful pic of nature. This landscape is by the side of river Ganga. Ganga is the holiest river of India. This is the field of mustard plants that looks very green to the eyes. The moment of this beautiful scene is very attracting. I want to feel from my heart to feel the emotions of the nature that gives us solace, feel and emotions. Sometimes gives us the love because nature loves us all without any distinction, and it has the emotions feelings that provides us without any odd differences. So I love nature because nature is the best teacher and mother who cares us like her own dear child. Everywhere you see the berries plants that are laden with the pale green and some yellow green that are very tasty if you want to taste or to eat. The nature has the love and affection. I want to feel this because I love nature. Once William Wordsworth said about nature, nature is the best mother and teacher. If you are misguided, come to the lap of nature and you will find peace, but eternal peace, not a physical peace. Because today's and modern mans are very disturbed to the city life. They don't want to spend their time in the lap of nature. They love to the flourished and tiles buildings that gives them only the physical comfort, not to the peace of the mind. Because peace of the mind is the real peace in which we feel the glorious moment of nature. We can see and learn the chirping sounds of the birds because birds symbolizes the living beings. The emotions never dies because it lives in our heart for centuries. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Our romantic and love poet John Keats once said about this. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Really, the beauty is nature. If you love the nature very deeply, you will find that it gives us compassion, magnanimity, generosity that none can teach us except nature. So, nature is the first and foremost caretaker of us. She gives us food that we eat, air that we inhale, and the place on which we live. This is the beauty of nature that I am to broadcasting you from through this video that my viewers and also throughout the world can see this is the real beauty of nature's show. Thank you so much, my dear lovers of natures. Thank you for watching this video.